Hello and welcome to BIM 360 Glue. When you open up BIM 360 Glue, you're going to get this main screen here. And on the lower portion, you're going to see the models that have been assigned to you through the administration panel. On the top, you're going to get some videos for getting started in BIM 360 Glue. So I'm interested in opening up this project here, which is called MB Project 00. So I'll open that up. And you see I just have a blank screen here on the canvas. It's completely clear. So I'd like to add some projects to the BIM 360 Glue environment so that I can begin to view them, analyze them, and test them to clash detection against other disciplinary models. So there's two options that I have for uploading a model at this point. One is that I could use this the upload command, which is right here. And using the upload command, I can upload one of nearly 50 different file formats, and we can upload that to the BIM 360 Glue environment. But for an added level of control, let's go over to Revit, where there's 3 files, and these are available on the BIM workshop, these data sets. So I have a architectural model here, and what I've done is I just did a right click and I duplicated this view, and I did a duplicate with detailing under the standard 3D, and then I renamed it BIM 360 Glue View. And the reason that you want to do this, it's very important to remember, is that anything that you can view inside of, in this window right now that's on the canvas, that is what you're going to see inside of BIM 360 Glue when it is uploaded. So if you can't see it in this view, you can't do clash detection on it. It's important to remember. So just to drive that point home, if I hide the windows and the walls, and then I click apply, and then if I said OK, and then I then uploaded this to BIM 360 Glue, my model would not have any walls or windows in it, so I would not be able to clash detect against them. So maybe you want to do that, maybe you don't. I'm going to turn those back on, but it is important to recognize that what you see is what you get. So here's the model, and I want to upload this entire model to the BIM 360 Glue system, so I've gone ahead and downloaded the BIM 360 Glue add-in. So I'll click here on Glue It, and because I'm already logged into Autodesk 360, and you can see here, this is my username, I can go ahead and upload to my client and to my project, which has been selected. And I'll just say upload to folder. And make sure it's the BIM 360 Glue view, because every time I upload a new version of the model, I want to make sure it's always from this view so that those results are saved. So I'll upload that file. You can tell this is going extremely fast, much faster than an upload of an FTP full Revit file, because this model has been optimized to be uploaded to the cloud. So it's been uploaded successfully. That was happening in real time. This is not a simulation. So here we go. Now I am inside of BIM 360 Glue, and I click the refresh button here. And then I have the low-rise architectural model. So let's go ahead and click the eyeball here, and that should make it so that this model appears on our canvas. And you can see that it does. So we can now default view command is to orbit. So I can just zoom in and inspect that model. And yes, it does appear that this is exactly what I had in Revit. So you can see now this has been uploaded to the cloud. So anyone in the country or around the world who has access to BIM 360 Glue and access to my project right now can also see what I am seeing. So pretty amazing technology. The next thing that we're going to do is upload the other 2 disciplinary models. So I've gone ahead and opened these files. So here I have the mechanical model. So once again, I'll go to my add-ins, to BIM 360 Glue, and Once again, I've made a special view for coordination, BIM 360 glue coordination. And I'll upload that file. Once again, this is happening very quickly. And now I'm going to the structural model. Once again, I'll go to add-ins. I will glue it, select my models folder, and ensure that the name is the BIM 360 glue coordination name and that I can see everything that I would like uploaded to the model. Shared coordinates, this is something that you're defining inside of the Revit environment. This is a topic that you can also find some information on in the BIM workshop. I'll lead you there. Okay, so we're uploading now the structural model. So now I'm going to go to the BIM 360 glue environment and I will press the refresh button once again, and you can see that my MEP model and my structural model have now also been uploaded to the cloud server, and I can view them on the canvas.